Okay, boss. So we go deal with, now we're okay with ECC extraction. Now if it is, how do we extract data using DB Connect, boss? So when I said DB Connect, all SAP certified databases can be connected with the DB Connect, boss. So HANA is also an option to demonstrate on this. So if you say create, what is this here? DB Connect, and one second, I'm just coming to the. See, can I? All these are certified databases by HANA, sorry, SAP. It could be Sybase IQ, HANA database, SQL Server, Oracle, Informix, DB2, DB4, DB, anything. All these databases are certified databases, and only these databases can be connected with DB connectors. If any other database apart from this can't be connected, okay. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to use HANA database and connect that as source to my BW bus. Say this is a BW system which is running a normal SQL server bus. So HANA is considered to be an external database, secondary database, external database which I would like to connect to my BW and extract the database. Okay, boss. So this is the HANA system what I'm using. So if you look at this, system ID is SP9 and my server name is SAP Cubix and instance is 01 bus. So they'll give you the server database server details which you need to connect and extract it from there. So first what I will do, let me create a source system connection in BW which will connect to my HANA database here. So what I'll do, right click on the source systems here and say what? Create DB Connect YN HANA something, HANA connection. Okay, say okay. So you want this connection to be referring to, see, what in HANA or any database, they would have something called schemas first. Any database, they will have all the database organized in form of schemas. So now you're creating a connection to HANA database connecting to one particular schema or any schemas. So I want a source system equal DB connection or logical system per what? Do you want to create, you can create a source system specific to one schema or entire system. So I would like to go with one entire database and say what? This is my connection name, edit and give all the properties. Database, which one? HANA database. User is system. Okay, and the connection information, I need to give a connection string. Normally from the application layer, when you want to connect to a database, you give some connection string, which is my server SAP Cubix. Cubix 1 now, Cubix. SAP Cubix. And what is your instance number? 01, right? When instance number is 01 and TL at 3, start with 3. And what is the instance number? 01 and 15. Suppose if your instance number is 00, then 30015. 3 and second character, third character is what instance number. Then 3 and XX15 is common, and the XX is your instance number. And I want the connection to be permanent, and then say save. Yeah? That's it. Sorry, data service. Do you see this YN HANA? That's it. Ante connection. Yeah? But ఇంకా కొద్ది ఇది ఇట్లా చేయాలంటే యాక్చువల్గా ఎట్లంటే, సో లెట్స్ సే your BW is in different server, okay, and your HANA server would be different. But if I need to connect to my HANA server, I need to install some DBSL, database shared library file, and what SAP server. They install the database shared library file in your BW server, then you will be able to communicate, because then it can understand the data types of the source database. DBSL I already installed this bit. Manakanta sambandham le. In fact, you don't even create this connection. It's all done by basis. They'll install the database shared library. Chinna file is SAP. You have to download and install that file, and then you can start establishing connection to the database. ఎందుకంటే ఆ డేటాబేస్ వేరే సర్వర్లో ఉంది, నా BW వేరే సర్వర్లో ఉంది. ఆ డేటాబేస్ ఏందో నాకు తెలియదు ఇక్కడ. సో ఐ నీడ్ టు ఇన్స్టాల్ ద డేటాబేస్ షేర్డ్ లైబ్రరీ ఫైల్ ఇన్ మై సర్వర్ సో దట్ I can start understanding HANA database. Then I can start creating this connection. Okay, and the connection create. Now let's say above 5 access level. One second. Okay, so I have a schema called 5 cubics of schema on there. Then I have some table. This is not data bit. So I have a table called range part, which has got some data, and I would like to extract data from this particular table. Yeah. So simple. Just right click on this connection. Say what? Display data source tree. Some application right click and say what? Create data source. DBDS. Something transaction data. So go to the here. You go to specify. What is my schema name? What is your table? You can search it. It is showing me all the tables only from that schema alone, and range part. That's it. Proposal. So these are the fields. It is taking care of data. If you want, you can propose. You can change those default system proposal and you get those fields out. And if you don't want this to be integer, I can change it to be what? Invalid data type. I will do the conversions later. Activate. అంతే వచ్చింది డేటా. మనం ఏం చేయాలి? Extract. Now once you get data into PSA, do you know about loading into target, transformation target? అంతే. ఇది DB Connect అని ఏముంది? Yeah.